It launched a migration route from the solvents. I would say more than any other river that I've ever visited, the connection between the ocean and these freshwater pools is absolutely clear that there are fish that are moving land away from the ocean. These days, dogs are using water to irrigate houses. There are plans to build a special channel to help the fish move across this obstacle and continue their journey. But those stranded here now struggle to survive. The rangers think there might be a flash flood. They can hear a storm upstream, and that could mean big fish. Good luck. The flash floods are pushing tons of water downstream. That means the giants might be trying to migrate to the water. But it also means bigger predators are coming too. It's kind of cold, a hot day like today. I feel personally water. Because here, even 150 kilometers from the ocean, I can't go for a swim. There can be a dozen bull sharks in this pool below me. Not to mention, there are these huge saltwater crocodiles on the opposite bank. I know it can be somber, but when you're chasing, time to try out the next sport. So that I can sit for a little while? Yeah. Just like follow the fish? Yeah. You think you want to practice? Yeah. Exactly. And then we'll go swim and swim there. Oh, nice. This is especially London. What is your favorite food? Especially salmon, salmon, duck. So what kind of package is it? This is a seaweed, yeah. This is our package. Okay, we obviously we don't check that. Check it?
Yeah.
You can open?
Mm-hmm.